You ever go to one party? I'm not talking about long dresses and cocktails. Fire. I'm talking about digging a barrel and look for clothes type party. Party where you know say head tap and nose bridge is a must. Party where be a card run across the road to connect the speaker box them. Them type of party there. So me I go a party for a number of years now, and as always, me have a message. For real. As a meal when you go a party, you have to look clean. As the cash pot ad say, any card can play. Right? So picture this, a Dexter Daps a play, or RDX. And you want to tickle your fancy. And you see a one female a going with her antics by herself. So you find the courage in your heart to go over there and go try take a one dance. You know, so you might get shame, but you have to try your luck. Right? Just look round and check your credentials and your pass. So good start get comfortable. Start do a bag of extra things, you know. Ankle behind a cabeza and be things. The crowd start focus on you, cheer you on. Pretty regular stuff, right? Yeah. Until out of nowhere, you see this one hand forward. What is for? Like the somebody I do farming. No disrespect to farmers still. But you see this big dirty nasty hand reach from out of the crowd. And they start hold on on your white Louis V hoodie. Fire. You start hold on on your pullover. Really? Now I realize a little trend. You see me? We are going to every party and one. At this point, I think we need to say something. In every Jamaican party, there is always this one man who find it fitting, and find it suitable to start draw and pull your expensive shot. Like say I invite. So to me, man, you don't pay a feet, my G. Nara borrow me borrow it. But in them days, somebody have to sit on the nose, you know. Yeah, man. We need fees up. I swear. Tired if you wash out in the dirty finger out of my shirt, them brother. So I get a 9. Look at them dirty style, them, man. Just my thoughts still, you see me?